have to go up.
Enggak ya? Apa itu yang ada motor itu, Pak? Itu bukan
Checking out a little garden view while we're trying to figure out where we're going. Seems like we're at the point of interest, but
ya kalau ibu berminat antar ke sana, kenalan aja, nggak apa tarifnya sesuai aplikasi.
Tapi coba lihat situ dulu deh, Pak. Itu tuh. Ya.
Yang mana, Bu?
Itu cuman pinggir ini. Apa sih?
Turun di sini gitu.
Iya, iya. Kalau ya udah ikut ke.
Did we ask the lady with the machete?
Orang bikin begini.
So we are going to a different waterfall, the most famous one. I think that's what we were avoiding, right? Initially.
Coba.
We were going to go to like a hidden one, but there's like no.
It's unclear. The spot.
Unclear, yeah, unclear where we're supposed to stop or go, and it's just crowded here. We're out like, you know, kind of these neighborhoods. You really can't tell what's where. That's just how it is sometimes. But we're gonna go to the famous one. Can we swim there?
Should be.
Okay, we'll see if we can swim here. Is it a big waterfall?
Yeah.
I haven't even seen pictures lately, or you were showing me some YouTube maybe, I think. So, it's, we're on our way. Nice mountain views.
Look at the falls.
Is it? Oh, that's a cool moss, great. Nice color. Yeah, it looks cool. This reminds me of Sumatra. With all the spots here. Tua. They have monyet. I wonder if they steal things like monyet nakal di Bali.
They are your friends. Careful.
I know.
I don't know.
I will not let go of this.
They are not here.
Don't know, are you naughty or nakal atau baik? Huh? You have an itch? Alright. That's enough of monyet. I don't like to give them too much attention. Seems like they're baik. Jangan nakal.
If you wanna kinda
So
eat
where's
first,
the-
maybe just go, huh?
Oh, we eat first. How much time did he give us?
It's fine. Just we pay like $5.
Oh, but I don't
for
mind
1
leaving.
hour.
No, with like, yeah. So
So yeah, if you wanna just relax.
we're just retaining our driver to go back. So we have until like 12:30. What is that? Like an hour?
1 hour is
And
60,000.
it's not. Huh? 60?
60,000.
60,000. So that's about $5 for him to like wait. And then going back is what? Like, it's cheap nonetheless. So we just hold them so we don't have to try to hunt down a driver while we're out here. See what we have here. They have instant noodles. It's actually nice and cool climate. I'm not sure if I even want to swim. It's nice and chilly out. Oh, they're making jagung bakar. And they have instant noodles. Let's see here. Mucho jagung banyak. What do we have here? Pop me.
Yeah.
Say that. Goreng. Let's say that probably good. No, not the pop me. What are we having?
Nanti.
Nanti. What are we gonna have, Beb?
The Krengsengan. It's beef.
Oh, so we're not doing instant noodle, huh?
No.
Or is it all instant? What is this? Oh, Krengsengan is a traditional Java, right?
Yeah.
Like kind of like Kind of like rawon, right?
And the other one is Rawon. You'll see.
Okay.
I never tried Krengsengan.
This is all the warung. Can we call this warung? Kacang rebus. Strawberries.
Dari ibu saya pesan itu deh, pecel kayu. Enggak.
So this is Krengsengan. I've actually made this before at home in the U.S. Using packet, like the bumbu packet. There it is. I'm gonna just kind of hold this like this while I eat this here. How this is. See how this tastes. A little chewy. That piece was good. Really fatty pieces. A bit, not bristly, but a little chewy. Spicy.
You wanna try the other one?
A little bit tomatoey or something. Tastes like tomato.
Yeah. It's raining.
That's right, Krengsengan is kind of like served like rendang, you know, just on rice. More of a stew than a brothy thing, you know. Rawon is with all the broth, but you know, I was surprised with in Malang how much rice they put in the soup. Look, I ate it all, I'm sorry.
Can you try this?
Very little amount of meat.
Maybe I'll order more then.
Let's see what this is.
Yeah.
What is this then? Is this the rawon?
Boleh pesen Krengsengannya aja.
Oh iya,
pakai nasi.
nasinya.
This is the rawon then, right?
No.
See how much rawon? I mean, see how much rice they put
Yeah.
in the broth. I think that's to like maybe save their broth. I was hungry. But,
Sambal is very pedas.
careful, babe. Don't give me.
Yeah.
All right. Pretty good flambo. Yeah, that looks brutal. Pass on that. All right. Well, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my food, and then we're gonna see if we can go for a swim or go check out the waterfall. We'll see. It's kind of chilly.
Kasih.
This part of Java in the east is kind of more mountainous, so we're getting like cooler weather. I still would love to go swimming, and we have monyet coming. I think they want food.
Di sini monyetnya nakal.
Photo session.
Bapak and Ibu.
Even my photo, yeah. So we're gonna get a photo with them. Okay. Yeah. You want to do a selfie or Henni? You take it or?
Nah, ini pakai ini.
They want a photo with me, so they want a photo with the bule. No, sit down. Okay.
Betul.
Duduk.
Makan ini. Makan jagung.
Yeah, jagung.
Jagung bakar.
Looks like the rain is stopping. Rain never lasts long, right? Little intermittent rain. Intermittent rain. He's got a water gun. You get the jagung, the corn. I want extra bakar. No manteiga. Tidak pakai manteiga. Hello. She's very confused about the white man.
Apa Bu? Satu. Minum.
Wow, nice hat. They're really sporting the hats today out in the jungle. Probably good to protect them from the rain. Okay, let's go. You ready?
Ibu ini ya?
The change. Makasih. Goes back to Istri.
Ini apa?
Her gun is now full. Go for monyet. We go to the toilet. Okay, it did stop raining.
Toilet is there. I wanna see. It's brutal.
Where? Oh, like. Let's check out the toilets. I think this is.
Bagusan sana ya?
This is. We must check out the.
Let's just go there.
I want to check it out. Let's see. Let's see how these are. No doors. Oh no, they have doors. There's private. Let's see what this is like here. Not too bad.
I'll wait.
Looks like someone burned this one down. Maybe they. Oh, look at this toilet. It's like broken. Wow, they burned this one down. Maybe someone really had a bad poop and they had to just burn it. Yeah, we'll see. Henni wants to go find another one, maybe in the jungle. Okay, much better bathroom, but apparently no swimming anyways, so nowhere to swim, so I'm not getting changed. At least I can go pee. Yeah, slightly better, less burned down, not broken toilet. So let's just get this. This is gayung. It's what you do to clean your butt. You don't actually stick your butt in there, but you just like kind of can get your butt nice and clean with water. I actually prefer this than the American method of using paper. But this is how you flush a toilet. Voila! Gravity does wonders. Okay, let's get out of here. Enough of the bathroom gayung tutorial. We carry on, upward and onward. There's Henni. Let's go see about this waterfall that I can't swim. Huh? Oh, look at that. That's a big waterfall. Let's go check this out. We shall just see the waterfall. Apparently, are we going to the Air Panas today?
Yeah.
We will go there. Is it close?
We'll see.
I would really like to get back to the hotel and just swim and enjoy time, relax. All right, a lot of people getting photo.
Then let them stop you.
Oh no, I'm not going to say no and be rude. So, but just will be quickly and.
Oh, maybe just go up
There we
here.
go. Everybody's going to want a photo with the bule. This happens.
That's from the bottom.
Let's go this way first.
This way first then.
No, let's go the right. Kiri. Let's go this way. Oh, we go around. We go around. Okay, go this way. Wow. That's one big. Hello. Ibu. Ah, got you. I think that's the pro, huh? Got my drone too. Right up there. Wow. That is, you see why it's famous. Must wear a mask. I think that's graded though. Whoa. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. That is crashing down there. You can hear it just smacking against the rocks. Wow. Now that's a waterfall. Look at all the way coming down. I'd love to get right down there. Well, no drone, no GPS, no flying. So these other guys eventually got up there though, but we're out of time, I think. So I'm gonna pass on it. We'll just do some hotel stuff.
We go to the...
I don't know how that would work if the GPS dropped while I'm doing it. Like, I think I still control. Just waypoints is no thing, so I don't know. Anyhow.